Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Midday market update. Dow tumbles 170 points. Viveve Medical shares spike higher. Analysis http ntvforex.com. News ID F034638252024 53:22 p.m. Midway through trading Tuesday, the Dow traded down 0.60% to 28,137.82, while the Nasdaq rose 0.21% to 11,403.25. The S&P also fell, dropping 0.03% to 3,430.26. The U.S. has the highest number of coronavirus cases and deaths in the world, reporting a total of 5,741,080 cases with around 177,280 deaths. Brazil confirmed a total of over 3,622,860 COVID-19 cases with 115,300 deaths, while India reported a total of at least 3,167,320 confirmed cases and 58,390 deaths. In total, there were at least 23,676,590 cases of COVID-19 worldwide with over 813,780 deaths, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. Leading and lagging sectors. Communication services shares gained 0.5% on Tuesday. Meanwhile, top gainers in the sector included NBSP GoGo Incorporated, NBSP GoGo 15.36%, up 15%, and NBSP Urban One, Inc. NBSP UONE 7.59%, up 10%. In trading on Tuesday, energy shares fell by 1.7%. Top headline: Hormel Foods Corp. NBSP HRL 1.27%. NBSP reported better than expected earnings for its third quarter. Hormel Foods reported quarterly earnings of 37 cents per share, beating analysts' estimates of 34 cents per share. The company reported sales of $2.40 billion, also surpassing expectations of $2.37 billion. Equities trading up. Viveve Medical, Inc. NBSP Vive 113.21%. NBSP shares shot up 109% to $1.1070 after the company announced positive primary efficacy data from its 3-arm, 5-month stress urinary incontinence feasibility study, which is comparing the company's cryogen-cooled monopolar radiofrequency treatment and a cryogen-only sham treatment to an inert sham treatment for mild to moderate SUI in women. Additionally, the company announced positive outcomes from an in vivo preclinical study that was conducted to validate its new inert sham tip for use in the upcoming pivotal Pursuit trial in the U.S. Shares of NBSP Sigma Labs, Inc. NBSP SGLB 30.12%. NBSP got a boost, shooting 45% to $3.61 after the company reported that it has been awarded a contract by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. NIO Limited NBSP NIO 11.82%. NBSP shares were also up, gaining 12% to $16.81 after UBS upgraded the stock from sell to neutral. Equities trading down. The Children's Place, Inc. NBSP PLCE 18.96%. NBSP shares tumbled 19% to $18.86 after the company reported wider than expected Q2 loss. Shares of NBSP Sonnet Biotherapeutics Holdings, Inc. NBSP SON 20%. NBSP were down 21% to $3.0745. Sonnet Biotherapeutics shares climbed over 48% on Monday after the U.S. FDA issued an emergency use authorization for investigational convalescent plasma for the treatment of COVID-19 in hospitalized patients. Nanovibronics, Inc. NBSP NAOV 19.06%. NBSP was down, falling 20% to $0.6965 after the company reported a $2.5 million bought deal offering. Commodities. In commodity news, oil traded up 1.4% to $43.20, while gold traded down 0.9% to $1,921.10. Silver traded down 0.7% Tuesday to $26.425, while copper rose 0.1% to $2.9295. Eurozone European shares were mostly lower today. The Eurozone STOXX 600 fell 0.29%, the Spanish IBEX index slipped 0.01%, while Italy's FTSE MIB index declined 0.41%. Meanwhile, the German DAX 30 climbed 0.03%, French CAC 40 rose 0.09% and UK shares fell 1.06%. Economics. The S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller Home Price Index increased 3.5% year-over-year in June, versus a revised 3.6% rise in the earlier month. The FHFA House Price Index rose 0.9% in June. The Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index dipped to 84.80 in August, versus a revised reading of 91.70 in the previous month. U.S. new home sales climbed 13.9% to an annual rate of 901,000 in July. The Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index rose to 18 in August versus a reading of 10 in the prior month. The Treasury is set to auction 2-year notes at 1:00 p.m. ET. Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco President Mary Daly will speak at 3:25 p.m. ET. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.